Good morning. Today is Thursday, November 13th, 2025. I'm here at Doctor's Lake Marina, and this is a before video of Ruth J. Alright, we're going to go ahead and clean it and get an after video.